Hey y'all, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new here. And y'all, this vlog is going to be a glow up with me type of situation, because as you can see, I'm looking a hot mess. Look at my part. This is so embarrassing. I probably shouldn't even be showing y'all this, but my hair has not been washed in almost 3 months, which is terrible. Yes, I know. But I went to the beauty supply store and I got some crochet hair, and I'm going to attempt to do this style that everybody been calling the Jada Waiter style. Gonna try to put me some braids in the front. I saw this girl do it with 6 braids. It was kind of like parted diagonally-ish, if you get what I'm saying. And then I got me some new lashes. Well, the same kind that I have on now, but it's time for me to tear these off. Maybe not tear them, because I do want to save the little, you know, hairs that I have right there. And I'm gonna do my pedicures at home, and I got to get some press-ons, and I want to try that glue from Sally's. I saw the girls on TikTok saying to try that glue from Sally's. They said it keeps their press-ons down, girl, and that's what we need to be doing, because I look a mess. I look like who did it, why, and please don't do it again. So watch me transform, and hopefully by the end of this vlog I look like somebody instead of looking like however I'm looking, because this is not giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, so I got the hair out of my head, y'all, and I promise y'all do not want to see how I look. Like, it's gonna be scary. Y'all ready? I don't even think I'm ready. Oh, see, maybe it ain't meant for y'all to see, but I'm gonna show y'all anyway. Jesus, look at my head, y'all. Look at my head. And everybody always asks me about this hair color. It's my natural hair color. I was born with this hair color, but I feel like my hair is getting very thin over the years, that I just need to do something. But I have a lot to do to my hair tonight, and I don't know if I'm gonna get it all done, because it's 8:23 right now. I said I wanted to make it to bed by 11:30. I need to do like a scalp cleanse. I gotta wash, deep condition, and try to do the style that I wanted to do. Ooh, I don't know if so maybe if I do the scalp cleanse like with the apple cider vinegar, because my scalp, I just feel like it's a lot of buildup on my scalp, and I looked it up on TikTok and they said you should try like an ACV rinse or something like that. So I need to do that, then wash, then deep condition, then blow dry, which is gonna be a hassle because some of my hair is permed or relaxed or whatever you want to call it, and some of it ain't. So working with 2 different textures, ooh. I'm not ready for this, but let's get it popping. Tristan, what you doing? And Tristan got his hair re-braided today, y'all. Come and look at it. Come here, Tristan, so they can see your hair. Let me bring the camera down so they can see you. Okay, now turn around, let them see your hair. Ooh, turn. Now y'all, I ain't no stylist, but look at that. Look at that. Book me. Let me make a website right quick. Y'all book me. Turn it this side. Ooh, turn. Boom. Boom. Now you do gotta get an edge up, y'all. Put your head down. You do gotta get an edge up to get this cut off. That's why I didn't braid it, but book me. Okay, y'all, it's looking a little decent. I am not a braider. Well, I can't braid my own hair that well. My kids' hair I can do pretty good, but mine is not looking as bad as I thought it was gonna look. Okay, all right. Just wanted to give y'all that update. Yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm done braiding. What y'all think? Again, I am not a braider. I still have to slick my edges down. Right here, right here, right here. You know, the typical 4, but what y'all think? And my hair looks darker because of what I put on it, but I'm okay with that, because the hair that I'm gonna put in it, it'll come together. But I have my little ponytail back here. I'm putting crochet hair all back here. I'm just gonna do like 4 big braids to the back, and let me show y'all the hair. Oh, right here. I got this hair. It's the Water Wave Rua. I don't know if I'm saying it right, and I got it in the color SM1B30, so hopefully it looks good once I put it on my head. It's 18 inch, but I think I'm gonna cut it to give it like a big fluffy type of look. I should have used the Jamaican Bounce, this one. Well, not this one, but the other Jamaican Bounce that I'll be wearing. But yeah, we about to go ahead and get this started. So 1 minute left. I may have to switch over to my phone, y'all.
Fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. Gonna smile for none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. Wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30. Chat. Should they fold that bitch, no yoga mat? Chat. Should they dare that nigga, don't hit me back? Chat. Should ran that nigga, no questions asked. Chat. They chatting, they chat. When the sun go down, everything made me feel lonely. Had a little sad thing going on, it's just a hold me. Try to feel good, it's hard enough, no one to hold me. Hype me up, you give me hype, you my favorite coach, compress the line. Fucking stress off, that's my only vice. I take it off. Boy, now you make me float. Boy, you really give me ooh, like I'm on dope. 'Cause you set me on a regular. Boy, need to tie this rope. Before we drift in deeper. Baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now.
I don't got the right kind of, well, there is no right or wrong hair. It's just that I wanted a different one. All right, y'all, let's see what this looks like. Tristan, do you think it's gonna look good? I don't know, because I have a weird head shape. Stop picking your lips. Does it look good?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I like it better with the edges done. I just think I'm not used to my, okay. All right, y'all, this is what we working with. Okay. Shake. Why does this look like a bald spot? Okay, all right, y'all. And I did cut the hair a little bit because it was a little too long for my liking. Like, it was all, it was just too long. And everybody I see with this hairstyle, they don't have it like real long, so I cut it. But what do y'all think? Does it fit my head shape? I feel like I look a little weird. Edge is cute though. The little edges that I do have. Yeah. I just don't like that I'm gonna have to keep on slicking my edges down. Also, I filled my brows in. Let me see how they look, because I might look crazy. I filled my brows in, but I did it while I still had my scarf on, and I don't know. What y'all be putting on y'all edges to hold them down for like a week at a time? Because I don't want to keep redoing the edges, which is why a lot of times I don't be wearing styles like this, because I don't want to do edges every time I turn around. And look at the gray hairs that I'm getting. Oh my goodness. Am I getting old or am I getting wise, or both? I don't know. But yes, y'all, this is how it turned out. Now I still need to go buy some nails, and I still need to do my pedicure, because what the polish I have on now, I've had on for like, dare I say, a month? Yeah, it's probably been a month, so I need to go ahead and take this off. But yeah, this vlog was just going to be me fixing myself up, because I've been walking around looking like who did it and why. Please don't do it again. But it's coming together. It's coming together. At first, I didn't know how I felt about the hair, but it's coming together. It's coming together. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I should have made a short on this, but y'all let me know what y'all think. Now I feel like somebody, okay? All right, don't play with me. I actually like this style. Just want to do it with a different hair next time. One that's like a bit more, I guess, curly instead of wavy, because this gives like a wave. But it does look kind of natural though. What y'all think? I don't know. But this is the look. Yeah. Oh, also, it's the next day. I don't know if I told y'all that already, but last night, by the time I got done, I was on a lot of lollygagging. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. So by the time I got done lollygagging, doing my deep condition, wash, blow dry, it was like 12 o'clock. And I said, oh no, I'm not staying up to 2 o'clock in the morning to do no hair, because I already feel like, I don't know, I'm getting some dark circles or something. I don't know, maybe I'm delusional, maybe I'm not, I don't know. But I said, yeah, I'm not finna stay up to no 2, 3 o'clock in the morning trying to fix no hair. So this morning I jumped out the bed and I said, hold on, let me get myself together. And it came together nicely. Now, I am not a braider. Like I said, I just be doing a few little braids on Tristan's head. I'll do some braids on Taz's head, but I am not a braider. So yeah, I'm not a braider. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope y'all having a good day so far. Actually, what am I talking about? It's afternoon, it's 1:14. I don't know why I thought it was morning. But yes, y'all. So I came back to finish up this vlog, this maintenance vlog, this getting out of a slump kind of vlog, kind of getting out of whatever, because I was looking a mess and I was feeling a mess, because you know, when you look bad, you probably feel bad. Like when you look good, you feel good. So I still don't have the nails on, but I think what I'm gonna do is just go to Walmart, find me some cute little press-ons and put them on, then just put them on the thumbnail, because I don't want to keep y'all waiting to get this video, because I wanted to post it today, but then I might just go ahead and post it tomorrow. So wait, today is Tuesday, right? Yeah. So I might just go ahead and post it tomorrow. But yeah, I just want to come over here and tell y'all won't see me put them on in this video. I'm just gonna throw it on the thumbnail, call it a day. But thank y'all so much for watching. And y'all, we almost at 500 subscribers. Woo. To God be the glory, y'all. I was just at 389 on Sunday. Today is Tuesday and I'm at 481. I don't know what happened, but when I tell y'all I am grateful, and I know I'm still not monetized yet, but it was just like suddenly people just started coming to my channel right as I was getting discouraged. So thank y'all so much. Like, let me put my camera down. Hold on. Like, for real.
What does say to you on your video?
Ooh, the lighting is not that good, but thank you to everybody that has recently subscribed to my channel. Thank you to everybody that's been subscribed to my channel. Y'all are gonna love it over here, and I'm bending down because my tall tripod upstairs don't feel like I'm gonna get it, but y'all are gonna love it here. You're gonna see it's gonna be real, it's gonna be raw. I'm not gonna always be looking good, as y'all saw in the beginning of this video. Y'all might see the kids do some crazy things, the kids might say some crazy things, but thank y'all so much. I feel like this is only the beginning. Like, God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all next week. Yeah. Huh?